everyone, this is Ute. I've created a micro degree which is called Clarify, Plan and Deliver, which shows you how to use Scrum to deliver on your projects. And in that micro degree, I promise that we'll do a one-day plan-a-thon to actually plan out your promotion plan for the next quarter. So I've been thinking and sort of feeling into that, and one day is just too intense for me. So what I'll do is I'll break it up over a five-day period. So next week, Monday, starting on the 24th of September, so that's Monday, and from anywhere in the world, wherever you are, we're going to join together in one of these circles, and I've got the link below this video, where we'll come together and help each other prepare our promotion plans. So on Monday, so the plan will be on Monday, we're going to look at the next year, of what you want to achieve, your vision, so that you create a context of what needs to be done now in quarter four. On Tuesday, we'll be looking at your financial goals, your learning objectives, and what needs to be developed, what IP assets need to be created so that you can achieve your goals. On Wednesday, we're going to do one big brain dump of all the tasks you can think of that are in your head, and it just needs to come out either through a mind map or just writing in a spreadsheet, or just lots of post-it notes, any way you want to work. So that's on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, we're going to take this information and just create logical containers of each of those, so that we have a high-level plan of what will happen in each 2-week sprint cycle. So we're going to use the Scrum methodology, but we'll also use Roger's promotion plan, and there's a combined promotion plan that I'll share with you. So that's going to happen on Thursday. And then on Friday, we're going to look in depth into the first 2 weeks of the first sprint of quarter four, so that when you come in on Monday morning, the 1st of October, you know exactly what needs to be done to get you rolling and achieving your goals. So join me, it's free, it's let's help each other. This is not something where I'm going to teach a lot. It's more, let's do these steps together and use the energy of a group to actually get it done. If you want more detail, I've got my micro degree where you can listen to all the theory, which is actually quite short. The video content is not it's just over 1 hour, so it's not a lengthy micro degree, but it will give you all the background of what Scrum in a business might look like for you. So I look forward to doing the promotion plan with you. As I said, just click on the link below and join the circle, and I'll see you on Monday. Cheers.